Okay, good morning class. Today we're going to read Elizabeth Leads the Way. It's about Elizabeth Cady Stanton and the right to vote. It's by Tanya Lee Stone and illustrated by Rebecca Gibbon. Does anyone know who Elizabeth Cady Stanton was?
A woman.
Yes, and has there ever been a time in your life when you felt that the rules were unfair?
Yeah, when mom and dad tried to make me to go to sleep early.
How did you feel about that?
I don't like it. I want to stay up and play video games.
Was there anything that you could do to take action to change that?
No, I'm a child.
You're just a child. Well, Elizabeth felt like she's just a woman. She can't change anything, but as we're going to read, she was able to. So I'm going to give you this chart, and there's going to be different points throughout the story where I want you to pause and write about what you're thinking as we read. Elizabeth leads the way. What would you do if someone told you you can't be what you want to be because you are a girl? What would you do if someone told you your vote doesn't count, your voice doesn't matter because you are a girl? Would you ask why? Would you talk back? Would you fight for your rights? Elizabeth did.
Are you reading to your class?
Yeah, come be a student.
For like a minute.
Okay. All of these things used to be true back when Elizabeth Cady was a girl. And all of these things might still be true today if Elizabeth hadn't led the way. She was only 4 years old the first time she heard someone, a woman, say life was better for boys. The woman had come to visit Elizabeth's new baby sister. What a pity it is she's a girl. How could anyone look at a little baby and feel sad? What could be wrong about being a girl? Is there anything that should be wrong with that?
No.
No. She was 13 years old when her father, Judge Cady, told a woman whose husband had died that the farm she had spent her whole life working on would be taken from her. Without a husband, the law stated, nothing belonged to her. Elizabeth was horrified by this unfairness. She said that the law should be cut out of every book. Judge Cady told her that wouldn't change anything. The law was still the law, and only men were allowed to change laws. Preposterous. She decided right then and there that she could do anything a boy can do. Okay, so, yes, you have a question?
What is that big word you just used?
Preposterous.
Yes. What does that mean?
It means outrageous. You can't believe it. So, can you understand why Elizabeth would use a big word like